Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to install Houdini FX 20.5 which was released in late 2025. But first I have provided all the Houdini setup files that we're going to use, so go ahead and download them from my Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Now once you open the file, you will find the following files, and there is a readme text file which is containing all the step-by-step instructions, and then the folder containing the setup with a fixed folder which we will be using in a moment. Okay, now the first step is that we are going to install Houdini FX application, which is pretty easy because you just need to double click the Houdini P53920 exercise as you can see. Then follow the setup guide. Click agree. Then next, for my case I need the side effects labs, so I checked it on, but you can just continue if you don't need it. Then I also selected the Unreal plugin because I use it with Houdini, but feel free to check any plugin extension for the specific software that you use. Then it will take some seconds to install everything. Please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any software or updates that I will be sharing. Okay, now once the installation is done, we're now going to go ahead to the next step as you can see. Okay, now let's go ahead. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and then search for License Administrator. Then run it as an administrator. Then once it pops up, you should see a window like this one. For those of you who are not getting it, you can use the readme text file to know what exact step to take. Okay, now you navigate to File, then locate License Tools Services. Now once it opens, stop the Sesented server by clicking Stop and then stop the H server, because we will be replacing them with the other ones I provided in the fix folder. Okay, now the second step is done, but please don't close the license administrator because it will come in handy later. Now let's go to step 3. So now open the fix folder where you will find these following files. Now first locate the sysned.exe, copy it, then follow the path where Houdini installed, and by default it is installed in drive C, then program files. Then locate side effects software folder and then paste and replace the existing one. Also, as you still here, copy the hserver.exe from the fix folder and paste and replace it in the Houdini server folder. Once that is done, then let's go to step 4, which is just going back to the license administrator and start the sysned server plus the H server. Now if you have done everything correctly, you should see that the server is running successfully notification. So now let us continue to step number 5. And here you're going to go to the server information section to locate our server name, which is your computer name, which you will find in the brackets, and also the server code which will be next to your PC name under server code. Still on step 5, you're going to open the fix folder and click on the keygen.exe file, and you should see a window like this where we're going to write the server name and server code, then change the date to generate license keys that we will be using later. So now you are going to make sure that you copy the server name as it is and do not make any mistakes. Then copy the server code exactly as it is, or else your license won't work. Then in the XD date, adjust it to your liking, but for my case I'm going to give myself 5 years, so let me put 2030. So now once all that is done, please double check to see if there are no mistakes. Once you have confirmed that there are no mistakes, go ahead and click on generate license. So to make your life easy, either copy all the licenses, then paste them in a new notepad or Word file so that later it is easy for you to copy them. Okay, once you're done with the copying process, let us now continue to step 6 and 7. Okay, here you will navigate to File section in the License Administrator, then locate Import License, then click on Manual Install since we already have all licenses. Now you're going to copy each line of a specific license and then paste it in the box of the License Administrator. But please make sure you start with the first license and follow the order. Okay, now as you see, we have finished copying the first 4 licenses, so once we click on accept, all the licenses should show successfully installed, and then all these should turn green to show that now the Houdini is licensed. Okay, now repeat the same exact step and import all the rest of the licenses so that other plugins work correctly. Let me speed up the process, but please make sure you do not put similar license because it might cause issues. So take your time while you are copying them and feel to pause the video, then first finish this process. Okay, now once you have finished copying all the licenses, feel free to save your license if you want. Okay, now if for some reason you have done everything but your license is still show red, follow this step and everything will be okay. So now from my side, everything seems okay. So go ahead and open Houdini FX. And if everything is okay, Houdini should open minus any single problem. And now as you see, mine has opened successfully. So thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if it has helped you and consider subscribing, and see you in my next video.